Do you want to come behind the scenes on one of the Krystal Palace YouTube videos here at Universal Orlando? Then keep watching because I'm taking you behind the scenes today. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. Today's video is gonna be different because I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you what a typical day in the life is like filming at Universal Studios Florida. Bloopers, what I used to film, how I do my Universal videos. You're on the GoPro right now, so you're gonna see it all, and I'm excited to share it. So let's go do this. So I'm starting off here at Sapphire Falls. This is where we're staying. It's actually 3 p.m. right now. That's because this morning we were in the parks filming another video, and I did a live stream from Universal Studios Florida, which was a lot of fun. So came back, got myself refreshed, and we're going to head back out to finish a video that I started this morning. So I have my microphones here that I'm gonna put in my bag. Now these are going to be for my phone, and this is like my lifeline. I don't know what I did without these before I found these on Amazon. I got so many different microphones. I tried a bunch out. Nothing worked like these DJI ones. I'll link everything I used in the description too, so maybe you're a creator or you want to start vlogging, you can check out the products I use. All right, so you can check out my tour of Sapphire Falls. It's me. Hi. So I'm editing right now, and I wanted to say that this is what happens sometimes. So I said, be sure to check out my video from Sapphire Falls, but I didn't put that out yet. So sometimes I might decide to put a video out before the other one. Like I thought I was gonna have the Sapphire Falls video ready to go and out before I did the behind the scenes one, but then I thought it'd be really fun to share the behind the scenes right after I posted the video that I was recording for the behind the scenes video. So that's why I decided to switch it. Sometimes you kind of get like a little mix up there. Usually I'll just cut it out, but since we're going behind the scenes, I wanted to tell you that that's what happens sometimes. It's okay. Carry on the video. Bye. But we have an awesome room this time. We are just steps away from the water taxi. We're gonna head over, gonna get my phone ready and set up because I have a few things that I'm gonna need to film in City Walk. So how I do it is if I'm filming a video kind of like everything you need to know or tips and tricks. Oh, we're just missing the water taxi. Darn it. It's okay. But if I'm filming a video like tips and tricks or everything you need to know, I'll have a list of the areas that I need to film in, just so I know, all right, I have to like hit this store, this store, this store, this area, this area, this area, so I don't forget anything. All right, so we made it to City Walk, and I have to say something about the Legacy store. The topic of the video, by the way, just to give you a little insight, is everything you need to know for Universal 2024. So we got to change here. Let's go. I got my phone. So the Legacy store, we're not exactly sure what it's going to be yet, but there are some rumors out there. Once again, this is just speculation. Nothing is confirmed, but a lot of people seem to think that the Legacy store will be transformed into an Epic Universe preview center because before Islands of Adventure opened, there was a preview center. Okay, so now I just like breathe, and I wanted to say that for Universal, I love using my phone. I have the iPhone 15. It works great with my microphone because Universal, you should wear a fanny pack in order to go on all the rides, or else you have to get a locker every time, and I just don't like carrying around like big heavy camera equipment anywhere, but especially at Universal because it's just so convenient to wear a fanny pack. So that's why I film on my phone here. But yeah, all right, so that's pretty much all I need to say about the Legacy store. Now let's head into Universal Studios Florida. I already filmed an intro for this video that I'm doing, but just to share some insight of what I usually do, honestly, you would think I walk it, you know, do it before I go into the park, but sometimes I like to honestly just warm up first. I go in the park, I do what I need to do, get warmed up, and then I'll film an intro, because sometimes right when I get here, I just feel like I need to like settle myself in, get myself organized, and then start the video and do an intro in the middle of it all. So just a little behind the scenes tip. All right, now let's make our way into Universal Studios Florida. I know exactly where I need to go, and I will say another behind the scenes tip is that I pretty much always have some help with me in the parks. It's usually a family member or Joey Palace, but that is so helpful that my family or my friends can come and help me out while I'm filming, just make things a little bit easier or taking pictures or, you know, doing anything like that. So there's a pass holder entrance for Universal Studios Florida at this point in time in the recording for this video, which is really nice. You get to go around and skip some lines. All right, well, the pass holder entrance is not actually open, so that's the reality of filming a video and being here at the parks. There is nothing perfect about it. There's nothing going to be perfect about this video that I'm sharing behind the scenes, because this is what it's like. There's a lot of people going into Universal too. So typically I'll like mark all the spots that I need to get. Like I said, when I'm filming these type of videos, this is what I'm just filming today. Sometimes, and most of the time, I'm filming just like vlog style videos, which are really fun too. I just get to go with the flow and, you know, you come along with me. But I like filming these informational videos, of course, because I think it really helps people planning their vacation. So I hope you enjoy them too. For 2024, you should know that this is the location for the tribute tour for Mardi Gras, summer, as well as all of them, you know? Halloween over in New York, and all their other holidays right here in the Halloween section. Today I forgot the windscreen for my microphone, and it's a little windy, so that's what I'm kind of dealing with. If you see me going like this, I'm trying to block the wind from my microphone. But all right, now I got to do something to get the 5 and dime. The show's letting out, so that's why there's a lot of people coming out of here. But all right, let's film the outside of it first. Also, another update in the Hollywood section is at the, let me show you.
Change to it.
Okay, now I gotta wait. There's a lot of people in there. So, to give you full behind the scenes transparency, sometimes, yes, I do get a little awkward trying to film if an area is super crowded, or sometimes if it's super quiet, I'll feel really uncomfortable and I'll just like film and do voiceover later because I'm like, oh, it's so quiet in here. But it's not always, you know, a lot of people think if you're doing YouTube, you must be super outgoing and not care at all, but it's not really the case. So I'm moving on to my next location, which is DreamWorks Land. I want to go talk about. But usually what I do is along the way, if I see something that reminds me, oh, I want to say that, or oh, this is good to add to the video, I will definitely add it. I don't do scripts. That's just not me. First of all, I would never be able to remember that. And if you know me, you know the Krystal Palace, I just say what comes to my mind. So now we're awaiting more details on what is going to be in this new park. The park isn't too crowded today. It's a Sunday, which makes it a lot easier for filming. Sometimes when you're here on like a busy day, it can make it a little difficult because it's really crowded and, you know, there's just a lot of people around. So sometimes I'll try to like go to a secluded area if I can to film, or just, you know, bear with the crowds and keep on filming anyway. But today is not too bad. So we're in the Men in Black gift shop. I just had to film something really quick that I knew was in here. And that's kind of the thing about doing these kind of videos, because you're gonna have to walk a lot. So I probably put on about 20,000 steps a day when I'm here at Universal. I do laps around the park and I try to get everything in one lap. Sometimes I'll have to go a little bit out of the way just for one little clip, but that's okay because I feel like that's what makes the video, you know, going the extra mile. Literally going the extra mile. And it's also good to sometimes just look in the stores. All right, let's carry on. For an example of an area that I like to film at, kind of, and if I need to like say something for a long amount of time, if I need to say something really long or just need a little break from the crowds, this is the Fear Factor live stage in Universal Studios Florida. I also prefer Universal Studios Florida over Islands, especially for filming purposes. Just because it's just so much easier to walk around. I feel like there's more room, and like, look at this, it's so quiet and empty right here. It's amazing. All right, so now actually we're still filming, but I have friends that are in Diagon Alley right now, so I'm gonna go say hi to them and then continue on my video filming adventure. Of course, while I'm filming these videos, I still explore the parks and do things that I don't do often, like headed to Nocturne Alley. I don't really come in here, so I'm gonna go in and just explore, look around, and enjoy my time in the parks, because that's what it's all about, right? Having fun. If I'm not having fun, then the video's not gonna be good, and then I'm not happy, so just gotta let loose, enjoy, and have fun. Okay, I'm waiting for my friend to get out of Ollivander's, but I was just thinking that I'm kind of hungry, and I'm trying to figure out what kind of snack I want. I'm not sure. Also, just to give you a little behind the scenes of what happens when I go live, I try to eat as much as I can before the live streams, so this way I'm not super hungry during the live stream and need to stop for a food break. But this morning I actually got a jacket potato on the stream just because I was hungry, and you know what, you gotta eat when you gotta eat. So, but that was fun to enjoy it with the stream. I love live streaming. This kind of feels like a live stream because I'm just talking with you and sharing some behind the scenes things that I do during my time filming here at Universal, so I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, be sure to give it a like. I try not to be on my phone as much when I'm filming, but I still do like to post Instagram stories throughout the day because I think it's fun to share, you know, what we're doing. So just for example, I'll be like, if I see something new or something that I haven't posted about yet, I'll be like, oh, like here are muffins on Instagram or something like that. Hi! Oh my God, it's so good to meet you. Hi! Finally. Hi, I'm Krystal. Nice to meet you. All right, so here are my friends that I ran into in Diagon Alley. Feel free to shout yourselves out.
I'm Sam. I'm Zaria.
YouTube, Instagram. Well, always good running into friends. Good to see you. All right, that was a lot of fun, and now we are going to continue on, head out of Diagon Alley, and experience the rest of the park. Okay, so I have an idea I want to do for an Instagram reel / TikTok. You know the trend where it's like brain fart. What is it? What is it? When, like, you know, I me in 20 years when all the blank catches up to me. I'm gonna do me in 30 years when all the Rip Ride Rocket rides catch up to me, because it's like such a rough ride. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have my dad film it. Come on. Thank you. All right. So, wait. I want to get like the sign in. Like, wait. Okay. I'll be like walking and then like, ready? Wait, I don't even know if I did it right. Alright, I hope that was good. I don't know. Let's try it. That was actually really good. Okay, it came out perfect. Alright, now we're gonna go get a snack in the Minion Cafe. That's great. Alright, we're headed into the Minion Cafe to grab a bite and jam into the music. Alright, so we just sat in the Minion Cafe. Now I'm gonna mobile order on my phone so they can bring it out to our table. One of my favorite things about the Minion Cafe is getting a fountain soda from here because the Pib just tastes delicious, and they also put them in these plastic cups so you can go up and refill. They don't have like the tag on them, so all the soda you want for $4, a little over $4. Oh, here comes our pizza. It's delicious too. Hello. All right, let's eat. Gotta refuel. I'm always eating in the parks, mostly because, well, you have to eat in the parks, but I like being able to share with you all what's good, what's not good. Like, we're New Yorkers, so we're used to good pizza, and we like this. So that tells you something. This should be my last shot of the day. Okay. If you're coming to Universal in 2024, wait till the Wait till the baby stops crying. Okay. Okay. Okay, ready? Go. If you're coming to Universal in 2024, you're gonna... All right, I think that does it for us and for this video. I think I got pretty much everything done. So it was a successful time in Universal Studios Florida. Thankfully I filmed half before, so it wasn't too much to do in here now. But I hope you enjoyed coming behind the scenes. If you have any questions about the whole process, definitely let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to answer. Hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Something different, something fun. And I will talk to you soon. Be sure to give this a like and subscribe to the Krystal Palace for more fun adventures. Peace. And I'm back because I honestly can't forget the most important part about the whole Krystal Palace theme park adventure process in all of my videos, and that is editing. So here's my setup. I got this new gaming chair. It's supposed to be really good for your back and your posture. So far, it's been really great. Always have to have my Starbucks just for fuel and my little life hack calendar. This is a light that's supposed to mimic the sun, so it's just nice to kind of, you know, get some UV or fake UV rays while I'm in front of my computer editing. I have my Universal coasters. I love them so much. A mouse and a keyboard, some motivation. You have nothing to gain by freaking out. Of course, my monitor, my laptop. I love Poppets. I play with this while I'm editing. Up here, I have my wax molds from Universal that RIP, they're retired now. But I also have my Epic Universe Chronos. How amazing is this? I can't thank Universal enough, and I just feel so honored to have received this beautiful, beautiful Epic Universe portal. And I will be receiving the rest of the medallions throughout the coming months when they announce the other lands and when they tell us more details about the other lands of Epic Universe. So I had to put that right up here with my other prized possessions. And I have my subscriber medallions hanging up for motivation. So I come here, I edit my video. Here I'm using Premiere Pro. I'll end up making a thumbnail and then I'll post it on YouTube and you'll see the final product. You can watch the final product up now. It's up on the Krystal Palace YouTube channel. Everything you need to know for Universal in 2024.